Hi, we'll go a little bit more into detail now with the customer related transactions. I'm going to enter an invoice for Alex Blackie. Now I'm heading up to the Create menu. Under Customers, select Invoice. And I'll pick Alex out of my list. Now in previous videos I've created a custom field that was salesperson. If you see that there and you're wondering why, you'll have to create custom fields in your custom. I'll show you here just a second. In your company settings under the cog. So just once more, in the Create menu, Invoice, I'm selecting Alex, today's date, it's going to be for framing, and I'm going to invoice him for 5 of the exterior frames. Now if you would hover over the quantity, you'll see that there's 10 left. That information comes from the products and services in the inventory section. Click Save and Close, or Save and Send if I wanted to email that straight away to Alex Blackie. Now I'm going to record a payment. Back in my Create menu, under Customers, click Receive Payment. Check that the payment is being deposited into the correct bank account. If payment's being made by cheque, you can enter a reference number. Alex is going to make partial payment on this invoice, but the same rules would apply if he was making full payment. Just enter the payment amount, click Save and Close, or Save and Send if you'd like to send him a receipt of payment. To record a credit note, go to your Create menu, and under Customers, click Adjustment Note. If you were refunding money directly back to the customer, you would use a refund receipt. However, you're just adding the amount of money he owes you, so this is an adjustment note. I'm going to enter a credit note for Alex Blackie for 2 units of frames. Make it $5, inclusive of GST. The adjustment note will be deducted from the oldest invoice for this customer, as that's what QuickBooks Online defaults to. But if you've deselected that option in your preferences, under the cog, and then Settings, Company Settings, you can then apply it to whatever invoice you choose. So to apply the credit note to the appropriate invoice, simply head back up to the Create menu, under Customers, Receive Payment, select your customer, and you'll see the credit sitting there. You can then apply whole of the credit or part of the credit to the invoice you select. You can also cash off any other payment